Creating workspaces for different teams is an essential way to organize your workflow and improve collaboration, but it can be tricky to know where to start. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create workspaces for different teams in just a few minutes. Stick with me till the end because I'll be sharing a powerful tool that makes this process a breeze. Plus, I'll give you an exclusive free trial to try it out yourself. First, let's talk about what workspaces actually are. A workspace is a digital area where team members can collaborate on projects, share resources, and communicate. To create effective workspaces for different teams, you need to break down the process into manageable steps. Start by identifying the teams that need separate spaces. It could be your marketing team, sales team, or even smaller project-based teams within departments. You want each team to have a space dedicated to their tasks, resources, and discussions. This helps keep everything organized and ensures that everyone knows where to go for the resources they need. Next, use software that allows you to create these workspaces. I've tested several options, and the software we'll be using today is perfect for building custom workspaces tailored to each team's needs. The great thing about this software is its flexibility. You can set up specific areas for different projects, share files, and set permissions so that only the right people have access. To create a workspace, simply go to your dashboard, select Create Workspace, and name it after the team or project. For example, Sales Team or Marketing Campaign XYZ. After that, you'll customize the space by adding tools and features like shared document folders, task management boards, and communication channels. Don't forget to assign roles. Assign team members to specific workspaces based on their roles and responsibilities. This will ensure that everyone has the appropriate level of access, whether it's full admin rights or just the ability to view documents. Once the workspace is set up, organize it by grouping related tasks together. For example, within the sales team workspace, you could create folders for lead tracking, sales materials, and reports. You can also use project management tools to break down tasks into smaller manageable pieces with deadlines and priority levels. Collaboration tools are key. Make sure the software allows for communication between team members. Whether it's through direct messaging, video calls, or discussion threads, seamless communication is critical. This keeps everyone on the same page and fosters better teamwork. As teams start using their workspaces, make sure to regularly update and maintain them. Add new projects, archive completed ones, and adjust team members' access when needed. This keeps things fresh and efficient. Now, before we wrap up, let's recap. To create workspaces for different teams, first, identify which teams need them. Then, choose software that lets you customize workspaces, add resources, and manage team permissions. Make sure communication and task management tools are in place and keep the workspaces organized and up to date. The key takeaway here is that workspaces help streamline your team's workflow and collaboration. By setting up dedicated areas for each team, you ensure that everything is organized, accessible, and easy to manage. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we use today. You'll find the link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and get started with creating workspaces for your teams. Thanks for watching.